NVIDIA, by the way, still staying up nice and tall. It's up almost 3%. But you can now look at the difference, though. So we had stair step, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, flat. See the difference? This should have pulled back and went up. This, right, is a change. This is a change. See, everybody see it? Good. So this is support. This is resistance now. Everybody see this? You can see the change. It was this little move, little move, little move, not little move, right? This is a change in pattern. The more you get to trading, the more you're going to recognize this change in pattern. This is a part of it. Does this mean it's going to, tank? Not necessarily, but you can see a change in the pattern. This is now support. Why? Because it touched here, and believe it or not, this is the same thing. See it? That's support, which means if it does break through here, most likely it's going to want to pull to here before it comes back up. Why? Trend is up. Trend is up. Now, obviously, if we get some sort of global news, somebody on, some sort of weird thing that overrides technical, all that's out the window. So keep an eye on this. Still up tall, though. Still strong. 2-minute EWO indicators, if you guys are VIP members, still showing strong to the upside. SPY pulling back. Qs are pulling. Apple's pulling. And NVIDIA finally starting to get heavy on the vine. Now look at the big picture. Now that we're starting to get a big picture. If you look at this, you see how it's starting to get heavy here? Everybody can see that direction change here, yes?
Yeah, round the top, head and shoulders.
That's right.
Yeah,
now, yep, as long as it stays up here, right? Otherwise, this is very heavy. And you can see it. You can clearly see what a difference of stair stepping versus this. See it all?